Your walls don't have to be boring, and your ceiling can do more than just hold up the roof. Imagine stepping outside, or even into your living room, and being surrounded by layers of lush greenery that drip with life from above. Today I'm showing you 13 of the most stunning hanging plants that will transform your vertical garden into a living masterpiece. Whether you're in a tiny apartment or a sprawling backyard, these plants will turn your space into a green paradise. Let's start with number 1. And trust me, by the end, you'll be rethinking every empty wall you've got. 1. String of pearls, Senecio rolianus. String of pearls is a show-stopping choice for any vertical garden thanks to its unique, bead-like leaves that cascade in long, elegant strands. This succulent's trailing habit naturally adds depth, texture, and movement to walls, hanging baskets, or shelf displays, instantly creating a lush, layered look. Beyond its beauty, it's also surprisingly low maintenance, thriving in bright, indirect light and requiring minimal watering, making it perfect for busy gardeners or those new to plant care. Its drought tolerance and slow growth mean you get lasting impact without constant upkeep, while its unusual form makes it a conversation piece in any green space. 2. Boston Fern, Nephrolepis exaltata. The Boston Fern is a timeless favorite for vertical gardens because of its lush, feathery fronds that spill gracefully from hanging baskets, instantly softening and greening up any space. Its dense, arching foliage creates a sense of fullness and volume, making it perfect for filling empty wall space or adding a tropical vibe to patios, balconies, or indoor corners. Boston ferns thrive in bright, indirect light and love humidity, making them ideal for shaded outdoor areas or bathrooms where they can purify the air while looking gorgeous. With the right moisture and a little care, they reward you with vibrant, year-round greenery that transforms a plain wall into a refreshing, natural focal point. 3. Spider plant, Chlorophytum comosum. The spider plant is a fantastic choice for a vertical garden because its long, arching leaves and dangling baby offshoots create a lively, cascading display that's full of movement and charm. Exceptionally easy to care for, it thrives in a variety of light conditions, from bright indirect sunlight to partial shade, making it adaptable to almost any location. Its air-purifying abilities help keep your environment fresh, while the constant production of plantlets adds a dynamic, ever-changing element to your display. Whether indoors or outdoors, the spider plant's resilience, low maintenance needs, and playful, trailing habit make it a perfect option for filling vertical spaces with fresh greenery. 4. String of hearts, Ceropegia woodii. The string of hearts is a stunning addition to any vertical garden, with its delicate, heart-shaped leaves and slender purple stems that cascade in graceful trailing strands. Its unique, romantic appearance brings texture and softness to walls, trellises, or hanging baskets, making it a natural focal point. This plant is also wonderfully low maintenance, thriving in bright, indirect light and tolerating occasional neglect thanks to its semi-succulent nature. As it grows, its cascading vines can reach several feet long, creating a curtain of greenery dotted with intricate leaf patterns, perfect for adding both charm and elegance to your vertical space. 5. Burro's tail, Sedum morganianum. Burro's tail is a striking choice for a vertical garden, prized for its thick, trailing stems, densely packed with plump, teardrop-shaped leaves that create a unique, cascading texture. Its silvery green foliage adds a soft, sculptural quality to walls or hanging baskets, making it stand out in any arrangement. As a succulent, it thrives in bright light and requires minimal watering, making it an easy care option for sunny spots. Over time, its long, trailing stems can grow impressively long, turning your vertical garden into a living waterfall of greenery. Its durability, drought tolerance, and distinctive look make Burro's tail a perfect pick for gardeners who want a low-maintenance plant with high visual impact. 6. English ivy, Hedera helix. English ivy is a versatile and elegant choice for a vertical garden, with its trailing vines and lush, lobed leaves that can spill gracefully from hanging baskets or climb walls for a classic, romantic look. Its dense foliage adds instant greenery and texture, making it perfect for covering bare spots or softening hard edges in your design. Adaptable to both indoor and outdoor settings, English ivy thrives in bright, indirect light, but can also tolerate partial shade, giving you flexibility in placement. It's relatively low maintenance, and its year-round greenery ensures your vertical space stays vibrant in every season. Whether cascading down or climbing up, English ivy brings timeless beauty and a touch of old-world charm to any vertical garden. 7. Petunia. Petunias are a vibrant and eye-catching choice for a vertical garden, thanks to their abundant, trumpet-shaped blooms that cascade beautifully from hanging baskets or wall planters. Available in a stunning array of colors, from soft pastels to bold, saturated tones, they can instantly brighten and energize any space. Petunias thrive in full sun and reward you with continuous flowers all season long, especially when regularly deadheaded to encourage new growth. Their trailing habit creates a lush, flowing effect, making them perfect for adding both color and texture to your vertical display. Easy to grow and fast to bloom, petunias bring cheerful energy and visual impact to any garden, balcony, or patio wall. 8. String of bananas, Senecio radicans. String of bananas is a playful and fast-growing choice for a vertical garden, with its cascading vines adorned with curved, banana-shaped leaves that add a quirky, eye-catching twist to any display. Its vibrant green foliage brings freshness and movement, while its drought-tolerant, succulent nature makes it incredibly low maintenance. Thriving in bright, indirect light or full sun, this plant grows quickly, creating long, trailing strands that spill beautifully from hanging baskets or wall planters. Occasionally, it even produces small, sweetly scented flowers, adding another layer of charm. With its unique shape, rapid growth, and easy care personality, String of Bananas is perfect for filling vertical spaces with fun and greenery. 9. Fuchsia. Fuchsia is a stunning choice for a vertical garden, famous for its elegant, pendulous blooms that dangle like delicate, two-tone lanterns in shades of pink, purple, red, and white. Its trailing branches naturally spill from hanging baskets or wall planters, creating a graceful, cascading effect that adds movement and drama to any space. Fuchsias thrive in cooler temperatures and bright, indirect light or partial shade, making them ideal for sheltered patios, balconies, or shaded garden walls. Their long blooming season and nectar-rich flowers attract hummingbirds and pollinators, bringing extra life to your garden. With their vibrant colors, unique flower shapes, and flowing habit, fuchsias bring a romantic, eye-catching charm to any vertical planting. 10. Tradescantia, Zebrina. Tradescantia. Zebrina is a striking choice for a vertical garden, prized for its vibrant purple and silver-striped leaves that shimmer when they catch the light. Its fast-growing, trailing stems create a lush, cascading effect, making it perfect for filling wall planters or hanging baskets with bold color and texture. Easy to care for, it thrives in bright, indirect light but can tolerate partial shade, and it responds well to occasional trimming, which encourages even fuller growth. This plant's vivid foliage adds instant visual impact to vertical spaces, turning plain walls into living art. With its low-maintenance nature and dramatic jewel-tone leaves, Tradescantia zebrina is an ideal pick for gardeners looking to combine beauty, ease, and personality in their vertical garden. 11. Golden Pothos, Epipremnum aureum. Golden Pothos is one of the most reliable and versatile plants for a vertical garden, with its glossy, heart-shaped leaves splashed with golden yellow variegation that instantly brightens any space. Its trailing vines can grow impressively long, creating a lush, cascading curtain of greenery that's perfect for hanging baskets, wall planters, or shelves. Incredibly low maintenance, Golden Pothos thrives in a wide range of lighting conditions, from bright, indirect light to low light, and is forgiving if you occasionally forget to water. It's also an excellent air purifier, helping to freshen indoor spaces while looking beautiful. With its resilience, rapid growth, and vibrant foliage, Golden Pothos is a foolproof choice for adding life and elegance to your vertical garden. 12. Million Bells, Calibrachoa. Million Bells is a spectacular choice for a vertical garden, thanks to its abundant, tiny petunia-like blooms that cascade in vibrant waterfalls of color. Blooming continuously throughout the growing season, it fills hanging baskets and vertical planters with a lively, cheerful display that can instantly brighten any space. Thriving in full sun, Million Bells are relatively low maintenance, requiring regular watering and occasional deadheading to keep the blooms coming. Their trailing habit creates a lush, overflowing effect, making them perfect for adding volume, movement, and a burst of color to walls, balconies, or patio gardens. With their nonstop flowers and cascading form, Million Bells are a must-have for a striking, colorful vertical garden. 13. String of Turtles, Peperomia prostrata. String of Turtles is a charming and compact choice for a vertical garden, prized for its tiny, round leaves patterned like turtle shells, each with intricate mosaic-like markings. Its trailing stems create a delicate, cascading effect that adds fine texture and visual interest to hanging baskets, shelves, or wall planters. This slow-growing plant thrives in bright, indirect light and enjoys moderate watering, making it a low-maintenance option for both beginners and experienced gardeners. Its unique foliage pattern draws the eye up close, while its graceful trailing habit softens vertical spaces, adding a touch of whimsy and elegance to any indoor or sheltered outdoor display. So there you have it, 13 stunning hanging plants that can transform even the tiniest wall or balcony into a vertical paradise. Which one will you add to your garden first? Drop your choice in the comments. I'd love to know. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a fellow plant lover, and subscribe for more gardening inspiration. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 15 plants you should never grow in your garden.